Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a full face of Maybelline, which I'm excited for because I've been using Maybelline for so long and it's affordable and it's at the drugstore, Walmart, you know, everywhere. So let's hop right into the video. I'm going to start with my eyes, and I don't have eyeshadow primer, so I'm just going to use a concealer. I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind. An OG favorite. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out. And for eyeshadow, I have the City Mini palettes. I have 4 to choose from. I'm going to go between Downtown Sunrise and Matte About Town. I'm going to first go ahead and put this shade everywhere. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I'm going to go with this color in the crease. And I definitely do enjoy these palettes, and they're small and great for travel. I believe they're only like 7 something at Walmart. I think they're like $2 cheaper if you get them on Amazon. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this dark brown. Just gonna go ahead and place it where I want it, and then I'll blend it out. I'm gonna take that same blending brush, blend that. This eyeshadows blend so well. Do the same thing again, just build it up. And then I'm going to take that same dark shade, put that right here as well. Build it up. And then I'm going to take this pink shade and layer it on my lid. I'm going to try with a brush, and if that's not good, I'll go ahead with my finger. Yep, definitely better with your finger, as most shimmers are. Alright, and then for the inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and do this color. Shimmery light pink. I'm going to go ahead and take that dark shade, go over that a little bit so they blend nicely. Alright, we'll finish the under eye once I do foundation and all that. And then for primer, I have the Master Prime Blur and Redness Control. And then I also have the Master Camo. I use the green shade to cover up red spots. So I'll go ahead and do this first. And I'm going to go ahead and take that green cover up any red spots that I might have. I'm gonna kind of just rub those in with my finger. Alright, and then for foundation, I have the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick, which I have not tried yet. So hopefully it's good. And I got the shade Fair Porcelain 102. Shade looks a little bit off, but that's okay. And then I have their sponge Face Studio blender. Go ahead and blend that out. I think I'm gonna try a brush instead. Much better. As of right now, I don't care for that foundation. It looks like it's clinging to every dry patch that I have. I don't know if you can tell, but alright, and then for concealer I have the Instant Age Rewind, as you saw earlier, and then I have the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to go ahead and use the Fit Me one. I'm also going to use this Master Contour stick to do some contouring. It's in light. And I do like this stick. I have used it plenty of times. And also this concealer I've used a couple times now and I like it. Blend that out. I don't know if it's because this is the first time I'm using this sponge, but I don't like it very much. I don't know if it's like the Eco Tools, but it's like weird. The Eco Tools one does the same thing the first time, and then you use it again and it's fine. So maybe it's like that. It does feel like the same material, so that might be it. I'm gonna use the pointed side for my concealer. Alright, and then for powder, I have the loose one and the compact. I'm going to use the loose one under my eyes and the compact everywhere else. I'm going to also put it right here, because I tend to crease right there. And then I'm going to take 110, just dust that over the rest of my face. Alright, and while that sits on there, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. Got the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon. This color. Go ahead and fill in my brows. I have used this brow pencil quite a few times as well, so I know I like it. I also have this darker color I think I'm going to go in with as well. Alright, now that I'm done having to completely concentrate, let's go ahead and get that powder off. Alright. For bronzer, I have the City Bronzer in the lightest shade 100. I've used this before and I love it. And for blush, I have the Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit. I have not used this before. I'm going to mix these two shades. For highlight, I have the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Rose Gold Molten. Go ahead and apply that to my face. Let's go ahead and finish the under eye. I'm going to go ahead and use the darkest shade in the palette and smoke that under the eye with my blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and put a brown eyeliner by them in my waterline. It's the Define line in brownish black. I love this liner. I have it in this color and in black. For drugstore, I definitely love these eyeliners. For mascara, we have the Total Temptation. In black, of course. Also had this mascara since it came out, so I know it's good. Definitely makes them long and separates them. And now for lips. I went ahead and got the Color Sensational Lip Liner in Clear because I thought that was kind of cool. This is obviously just to make sure that your lipstick stays put since it's clear. Oh, and while I'm thinking about it for mascara, but then the Snap Mascara is also really good. I've got it in purple, but it obviously doesn't go with this look. And then for lips, I have the Maybelline Matte Ink in the shade 55 Driver. Definitely a nude color, which I like, but I'm going to go ahead and add a gloss. I'm going to use 10 and Barefoot in the Summer McQueen collab with them. I love these glosses. Let's make it a little more pinky. I love these glosses. I have 3 shades. I have 35 Heat Wave, 20 Tan Line, and 10 Barefoot. And the only thing I did not have is a setting spray, so I'm going to go ahead and use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, which I believe is cheaper than the only one that Maybelline has. I think it's $8 and this is $5, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this. Before you leave, go ahead and comment down below what you think of this full face of Maybelline. Hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks.